kapag na-program po yung mindset natin negatively by our parents, our society, or by our culture, you have to reprogram your mindset into a successful mindset. All you have to do is to change your environment. Change what you watch on social media. Change kung sino yung mga taong nakakasalamuha mo, yung mga group of friends na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, na hindi nakakatulong sa growth mo, na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo to become a better person. Pwede po natin silang iwasan sa ngayon. Kasi kung hindi ka pa matagumpay sa buhay, tinatrabaho po yan. And go to those people, meet new friends na nakakatulong sa'yo para mas lalo kang mag-improve as a person. We should have a new perspective in life by reprogramming our mind, installing new idea, new quality sa sarili. Sa ganon, magtagumpay ka sa buhay. Ang importante lang, consistent mo itong gagawin araw-araw. So, productive things, positive things, I'll eliminate all of those distractions.